These natural remedies for dandruff can help soothe your scalp, reduce flakiness, and restore your hair's health and shine. Tea tree oil is renowned for its antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for dandruff. To use tea tree oil, simply dilute a few drops in a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before shampooing your hair. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Apple cider vinegar has acidic properties that can help restore the pH balance of the scalp and inhibit the growth of yeast, which is often associated with dandruff. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and apply the solution to your scalp after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. You can use this remedy once or twice a week. Aloe vera contains enzymes that promote healing and soothe irritated skin, making it an effective home remedy for dandruff. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process regularly to reduce dandruff and calm scalp irritation. Coconut oil is another popular remedy for dandruff due to its moisturizing and antimicrobial properties. Massage warm coconut oil into your scalp and leave it on overnight. Wash your hair in the morning using a mild shampoo. Coconut oil can help hydrate the scalp and prevent the flakiness associated with dandruff. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and reduce dandruff. Wet your hair and then rub a handful of baking soda into your scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly with water. Baking soda can be drying, so it's essential to follow up with a conditioner. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help break down the fungus responsible for dandruff and exfoliate the scalp. Mix fresh lemon juice with water and apply it to your scalp using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Be cautious if you have any cuts or irritations on your scalp, as lemon juice can sting. Neem or Indian lilac has antifungal and antibacterial properties that make it an effective treatment for dandruff. Boil neem leaves in water, strain the liquid, and allow it to cool. Use this neem-infused water as a final rinse after shampooing your hair. Regular use can help control dandruff and soothe scalp irritation. One of the simplest ways to combat dandruff is by maintaining good scalp hygiene. Regular shampooing with an anti-dandruff shampoo can help remove excess oil, dead skin cells, and fungal buildup from the scalp. Look for shampoos containing active ingredients like zinc, pyrithione, selenium sulfide, or ketoconazole, all of which have antifungal properties. Incorporate these home treatments into your routine to promote a healthier scalp. If dandruff persists despite home remedies, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist for further evaluation and treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.